Let's see how some of the magic is made. Some of the behind the scenes. The bitch telling me, not to me. Yo, baby daddy, he under me. Let's see if we can get him in the video. Y'all be, some niggas be trying to fake bib on my check engine light. Yesterday, I tightened up my O2 sensors and my or my defilers and my mid pipe, so no check engine. I'm just a little lazy, man. I just gotta bear with me. I don't know. I think it's like the idle and the, you know, when I'm hitting it, all the vibration, it really like just knock shit loose. Running it up, nigga. Look at that. Stop playing. We've been jamming. Follow me on the gram, man. Follow my business page. Doing all the stars, all that shit. You know what I'm saying? We cranking out, man. So, yeah. Dang, he bent that joint, didn't he? Okay. Damn. Oxygen, beat me up the line. Oh, the light green. Hold on. Supposed to be going, like, what the fuck? Tell you about bullying a cat. I'm tired as shit. I ain't gonna lie, I am fake hungry. I might pull and get some food. Fuck you talking about? Yeah, like I said, man, make sure y'all following the grind. It's grade 8. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you follow Brody. Keep running this shit up. You in my area, follow me. Get your headliner done. I don't work on tracks. Durangos, Charlies, you name it, nigga. Stop playing. That's what's in here. Yeah, I see it. I don't know if I can see that good. It just hurt my neck to do that. God damn. I ain't doing that shit no more. What's going on? I'm trying to work, get some crazy shit outside for y'all, but a lot of niggas like to be in the house. Fast shit. Damn. Just missed his ass. Some cool shit. Yeah, cause I'm trying to work out some cool and get some fast shit outside for y'all. Maybe some swaps or something. I think people be scared. Ain't got nothing to be scared of. So I'm trying to cook up this summer, y'all. We're gonna be outside like shit this summer. It's just some cool shit to keep y'all tuned. I know I gotta stay active for y'all. I'm trying. Yeah, I'm trying, y'all. I just be trying to do different shit. More POVs. Stop thinking about it so much. It's getting hot. God damn, boy. Riding in a cat and get hot, nigga. It could be cold outside. It's gonna get hot in this bitch. I might put this with tomorrow. Little Taco Tuesday drive. I don't know. Depending on how I like this video. Yeah, I can make order for pickup. I should have did this before, y'all. Yeah, can I get a steak and cheese?
Steak and cheese combo by itself.
Combo. GoPro on my head. Bad shit, bad shit. My shit on white. I don't give a fuck though. We'll do one more stretch and then I'm gonna end this joint at the gas station. Ooh. Oh. Wasn't that deep. Bro, nasty as shit. Too high. My fault if that shit was too high. Man, it's just when you really get to hitting this jump, man, it's just like yeah. Oh, there we go. See if he hit it. You see the GoPro on my head. I have faith that that is at least an RT. That was not an RT, okay. Oh, okay, yeah. Don't you dare. Hot, man. Watch out, short. Every time I pull into to a pump, so it's not working. We got one. We got one. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. We going 91. Fuck that. We going 91. Oh God. Oh, let's show y'all this bitch one more time, man. I feel goofy as shit with this. There we go. There we go. My shit dirty though. All this damn pollen. And that shit pumping slow as fuck. We're gonna be here in a minute. Look at this. This shit pumping 13. Damn, bruh. It was a demon. Bruh put gas in the demon. He put E85 in the joint, and then the horsepower was like going up and up and up, and then he hit that motherfucker. That joint said 1025. I think he looking at the jump, or she. But boy, that made me want a demon, boy. What the fuck? But it's the end of this video. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, follow the Instagram, vlog with me, so I can go track a demon. You know what I mean? And then I'll focus y'all on the next one.